show you.
Here,
how much
Tyler.
it's like. Have you recording? You already recording? Wait, let me move this. Now he's gonna jump.
I can get up there.
It didn't hurt when it hurt last time I landed on my neck. Crap. I really cannot tell. Yeah, it's good. Good enough.
Are you gonna hold this
Nope.
so it doesn't tip over?
Wait, do you have your boots on? Yeah. You have your socks. Climb.
I am.
But you have to climb up to the top to prove how slippery it is.
If I can get my foot up there, I'm not very flexible.
You can't even get your foot up that high. You have to like trim half the video. Oh crap, I'm stepping in dirty water.
I can't do it. Ouch! Frick! Ow. I can't do it.
Lift this foot up.
I can't. My leg. Ouch! Dude, this hurts!
Step. Push.
No!
Now lift that one leg up. Step. There you go.
Wait, hold it!
Push. Up.
This thing falls over.
Hey, I fell. It hurt too. When I fell, hit on
I
this
feel
thing.
like it's gonna fall over.
Dude, you're even more of a baby.
Oh, fuck.
Hey, go get
drop
it.
Can you push?
You weigh so much.
I think we're gonna have to wait.
Good?
Push.
It's slippery!
Push your baby out.
Little Tim's gonna be slick. He's gonna slide your ass out off.
It is slick.
Huh?
Get up.
I help!
Oh my. I already got up there once. I slipped